This is one recipe your kids or anybody at all that you share this recipe with will ask for over and over again. Hello guys, you're welcome back to another cooking video. As usual, if this is your first time of coming across this space, thank you very much for stopping by to watch this video. Please, if you find this video helpful at the ending, do not forget to click on the like button, share this video to your loved friends and loved ones, and also follow this page so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much.
Stop!